Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can export data from your Slack workspace really quickly and without any advanced technical skills whatsoever. For example, if you'd like to have your data saved as a backup on an offline device like your computer or a laptop to access it later. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. What you want to do is head over to Slack, of course, for example, through the web application. Make sure that you're logged in with your account, and all you will need to do, guys, is follow my instructions. Start by clicking on your workspace name in the top left corner to select it from the drop-down menu, or if you'd like to switch to another workspace, select it from here. And what you want to do after that is hover your mouse over Tools and Settings here, and from the following drop-down menu to the right, select Workspace Settings. That is going to take you to your workspace settings. So what you want to do here is take a look or pay attention to that button here in the top right corner, Import/Export Data. So you want to click on it, and after that you will be redirected to that option or to that menu here. So switch from Import to Export here, and after that read through the description, what's included in that export, what's not included. To learn more about that, simply select the export date range below by clicking on that arrow down icon. So let me, for example, or for the sake of this tutorial, export and download the data from the last 7 days. You may also go with the data from the last month or the entire history. That's totally up to you. And confirm by clicking on Start Export here. After that, the exporting will start or launch. So wait for a moment. That may or may not take a while, of course, depending on the file size. And once that's done, you will receive an email when the export is ready for download, so that you may head over to your associated email account or inbox and download the exported data from there. You see the status here. As you can see, it's currently waiting. And once that's done, guys, you will be able to download your exported data from your email, for example, in CSV format, so that you may open it, for example, via Google Sheets or Excel. And that's basically it, guys. Bear in mind, though, that exports will be permanently removed after 10 days. So make sure that you download that exported data within that time span to not lose access to it. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.